Are you looking for the best electric bikes? In this video we will look at some of the best electric bikes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, SwagCycle Pro Folding Bike. SwagCycle is a popular choice in the electric vehicle market and is making some serious waves in the industry. They always get high marks for performance and reliability in their electric bike and hoverboard products. This SwagCycle Pro is no different. It's another excellent product. This bike hits a top speed of 18 miles per hour thanks to its powerful 37V lithium battery and delivers 15.5 miles on a single charge. This bike's sturdy frame can support up to 264 pounds, and its stem and handlebars can collapse for easy storage. It is the perfect bike for commuting and then stowing in an office closet, or for packing it up and taking with you on vacation, thanks to its ability to fold up. Other features include dual disc brakes, total control using the SwagCycle 2 app. At number 2, ANCHEER Power Plus Mountain Bike. Another great e-bike from ANCHEER. This e-bike handles hills excellently and the headlight is brighter than most for nighttime rides. ANCHEER gets another spot on this buying guide, with a model popular for its quality and power. The ANCHEER Power Plus electric mountain bike has a max speed of 15 miles per hour, a range of 30 miles and a 36V removable lithium-ion battery. If you are larger, you may get 25 miles. It has 2 riding modes, assisted bicycle and e-bike. High-strength carbon steel makes this one a durable ride as well as comfortable. It is a solid performer both on the trail or on the road. Some prefer to drive the best electric cars, but this bike keeps you more out in nature. With easy charge port system, the electric bike can be charged on or off the frame easily. The mileage range of this bike is in between 25 to 50 kilometers. 250W high-speed brushless gear motors easily assists you to travel at the 15 miles per hour road speed limit. With 1-year service for the electric motor, battery and the charger, you've no worry about using it. When purchasing this e-bike, click on the Select Assembly button above. Choose Ship to Store for assembly and pickup. Note, if you not select, no assembly service. At number 3, SwagCycle EB5 Pro Bike. It boasts a 250 watts motor, 36 volts Li-ion battery, dual disc brakes, a USB charging port, headlight, and a safety bell and reflectors. You can choose from 2 modes when riding, throttle and pedal assist. SwagCycle delivers on durability here too. This e-bike will stand up to some abuse and be with you for years. And instead of leaving your valuable cargo locked out on the streets, you can easily tuck it under your desk or in any compact space by simply collapsing its stem, bending its frame, and folding its pedals. It's a solid performer with some great features. We like that the battery indicator by the throttle stands out so that you always know how much charge you have on just one charge. This hybrid e-bike can go up to 15.5 miles. But more distance can be covered by pedaling in between. There's also an option to attach a cargo rack that is sold separately, to enable you to carry your bags, books, groceries. At number 4, Heybike Race Electric Bike. Travel effortlessly across town and commute to work faster without fuss, fatigue or sweat, all while wearing your everyday attire. It's easy to ride with a lightweight design. It has tough 26-row tires, pedal assist with a push-button throttle, and Shimano 7-speed. In short, the race e-bike was expertly designed for city living. The geared hub motor provides more torque from standstill and for climbing with smooth acceleration and less noise. Use a high-resolution 12-magnet cadence sensor, which makes starting and stopping more predictable. Featuring a sturdy high-step frame equipped with beautiful aerodynamic tube profiles with internal electrical cable routes. The enhanced ergonomics and improved handling promise a smoother, more confident ride. We've made it easy to control your e-bike. With 3 levels of pedal assist and a throttle at your fingertips, it's never been so easy to get around. Plus, the practical display always lets you know how much farther you can go. Comes with integrated headlight and independent brake light. The headlight offers 4 bright center beam to keep you seen, while the rear light offers 2 colors: solid, flashing, and alternate mode, which you can choose. At number 5, ELENKER 26 inches electric mountain bike. This ELENKER electric mountain bike packs everything you need for superior performance and convenience on hills and trails. The front suspension eats up bumps and obstacles, while the dual disc brakes give you even and secure stopping power. Get out and enjoy nature like never before with this all-terrain e-bike. The ELENKER electric mountain bike packs all you need to ensure your top performance while out riding hills and trails. Go for an outing, go for a tour, across the city and over the mountains. It's easy to be the dot along with it. You'll find the fun of exercise and keep your body and mind healthy. 3 riding modes let you perfectly adjust the ride to your liking: pedal only, throttle only, or pedal to go. Effortlessly cruise down the street or around the neighborhood and let it deliver that extra oomph you need to finish errands or commute to campus. Front and rear mechanical disc brakes provide powerful, progressive braking even in rainy conditions. Featuring both preload and lockout adjustment, the front fork suspension on this bike helps to provide a smoother and more comfortable riding experience.